Okay, so when you have two objects, let's say this balloon and your hammer, and when they rub together, one of them loses charge to the other, which makes one object positively charged and the other negatively charged. And the opposites attract, so they stick together.
Hey, what are you doing?
Come here.
Can I try?
Sure.
PhET is a digital tool that uses animated simulations in a range of topics to keep sleepy students interested. Click a subject and find a simulated micro lesson. This one is about balloon static. PhET has a wide range of topics from math, science, earth science, and even topics on outer space. You can even translate them into all different languages.